There are lots of great options for writing HTML and CSS on your computer, but my favorite is Visual Studio Code by Microsoft. It's fast, easy to use, and versatile. It comes with lots of great features, and it's well supported by the greater web development community. So let's learn how to install and configure this on our computer. If you go to code.visualstudio.com, you'll find a nice big download button. I'm going to download this for the Mac, but there are other platforms available. The website should smartly detect what platform you're using. Once it's downloaded, I will unzip the files, and then I will move the app from my downloads to my applications folder. Depending on the platform you're using, the install process might be different. Now, if I go to my applications folder, we have Visual Studio Code here. I'm going to open it up. I'll get a warning saying it was downloaded from the internet, but I trust this source. And now we can use Visual Studio Code. We have a nice welcome screen here where I can open a new file or a folder. So let's open the chapter 1 folder here. So now we have our HTML files here. You can also make some customizations. If you click on the cog icon and then the settings panel, you can do things like customize your text editor to change the font size or the page size. You can download different themes for code highlighting, extensions, and much, much more. I'll leave you to explore Visual Studio Code on your own, but I will make my settings available in the GitHub repository in the Chapter 2 files.